Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a subscription service on Shopify. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a subscription service on Shopify, like I said, step by step. Okay, so this is going to be good for people who want to sell services that require like recurring payments, or physical products that require recurring payments. Now like, for example, you can sell also digital products and people are going to pay for it, for example, weekly or monthly or daily. You can just like control the frequency, like you can do that inside your Shopify. Okay, so first you have to know exactly what you want to sell. If you want to sell a service, or if you want to sell, for example, like as a digital product or a physical product. Now let's get started right now. Now you want to log in into your Shopify store. That's the first step. Okay, now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now we are going to download an app that will help us set up a subscription service, or like I said, a digital or service. If you are selling a digital product or service or a physical product, this app will help you like set up a subscription. Okay, so set up subscriptions for the service or product. Now you just need to search here for subscription on Shopify and you will be able to see a lot of apps. Okay, so but the app that I like, and it's built for Shopify, as you can see here, it's called App Store Subscription App. This app is free to install, as you can see. Retain customers with subscriptions, subscription box, and bundles. Now you want to click on this app, guys. It's called, like I said, App Store Subscription. As you can see, it's built for Shopify. You can also watch this video if you want to learn more about this app. As you can see, free to install and also free trial available. Now what you guys need to do is you want to click on install, and in the next page you just need to confirm again on like confirm install. Click again on install. Okay, so after, guys, you install the app, then I will show you guys exactly how to use it so that you can set up a subscription service on your Shopify. Okay, let's get started right now. It says here, start selling my products as subscription, or as you can see, like existing subscription. If you want like to transfer like existing subscription over the App Store subscription. Looking to sell memberships. Okay, please check out our dedicated app for memberships. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click here. It says start selling my products as subscription. Now as you can see here, it says here create a subscription plan. Okay, now you can name this whatever you want. For example, I'm going to name it subscription plan. Okay, don't worry, like customers will not see this. Okay, next thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here. It says browse by collection or browse products. Now assuming you already added the service or a physical product or a digital product to your own Shopify store, you just need to click here on browse products, and here you will be able to see all the products that you want to add subscriptions to. So for example, I would like to add subscriptions to this product. Okay, I just named it test. As you can see, click on add. Now as you can see here, guys, in the next thing you need to do, guys, is you want to click here. It says subscription frequency. You want to click on add a new frequency plan. Now here, as you can see where it says billing type, you can, for example, select pay as you go, I2 renew. So this is not going to be cancelled until you cancel subscription or the customer cancels subscription. So you will be charged each month or each week depending on the order frequency, depending on how you want the schedule, how you, if you want to set it as weekly or monthly. Now, for example, I'm going to select pay as you go so that my customers will be charged each month. And here it says order frequency. So I would like to, for example, I am selling a digital product, and each month I will send, for example, part of that digital product. Okay, so I'm going to sell one. As you can see, order frequency, I'm going to set it as 1. And also you can change it here from like monthly or weekly. I'm going to set it here. I'm going to change it to monthly. Now each month I will be able to send one, for example, physical product fragrances. For example, I'm going to sell one fragrance each month, okay, because people are going to use it monthly. So people are going to use that every day, so they will need each month to receive the products. So I'm going to add here one, okay. I'm not going to sell like two fragrances because most of the time people will only want one, okay. And like I said, here you can change it to year. You can also send this every year. Now I'm going to set it as monthly. Now it says here display content. If you click here on display content, you will be able to see the frequency name here. You can change it to anything you want. As you can see, if you click on this like question mark, you will be able to see here what frequency name means. Here, as you can see, frequency name refers to the label that your customers see when they select a subscription option from your product page. An example below, we have set frequency name as monthly, pay as you go. The first screenshot below represents only one of our 6 widget types. If you want to change the look of your widget, click on widget section. Now here I'm going to set it here, as you can see, monthly to one monthly subscription. You can change this. You can also click on show description if you want to add a description for your customers. Keep in mind that people like customers will be able to see this. Now I'm not going to add the description here. For people who want to add to add description, you can just check this box and you can add the description for your customers. For example, what you are offering them each month. For example, I will be able to send this or something like that, so that your customers will be able to see what value you are going to add to them, or what products are going to or service are that they are going to receive each month. Okay, you can just explain that here in the description. You can also use ChatGPT to how to create to make for you like a description, simple description. Okay, you can just use ChatGPT. Now after that, you can click here, it says charge on specific days, and I'm going to set it as the same day of the month as when the entitled order was made. Okay, so I'm not going to change this. Okay, I'm going to set it as the same day of the month. And here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see offer. As you can see, if you click here, options, I don't really use this option here. I've never used it. Okay, so after you are done, click on done. Okay, so as you can see, we have like subscription frequency. As you can see, monthly subscription. Okay, so you can also add a new frequency plan if you want. Okay, now next thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on save in the top right. So after, guys, you click on save so that you can save your changes, then you will be able to come to this page. Okay, it says go live with Upstall subscription widget. Now to go live with your subscription and allow customers to subscribe, you need to enable Upstall embedded block on your live theme. So as you can see, it says here, click on go to Shopify button below to open a live theme editor for your store. So that's all you need to do, guys. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you will have to like enable this like widget on your Shopify theme. So you just need to click on go to Shopify, and it's going to take you guys directly to your Shopify theme so that you can enable Upstall app inside your Shopify. As you can see, it says here Upstall subscription, you need to enable it. Okay, after that you want to click on save in the top right. Okay, so after, guys, you click on save. Now after you click, guys, on save, you want to go back. Now as you can see, app successfully embedded. Now what you guys need to do, you want to check the product page now and see if you have added the subscription to your product page or not. Now I'm going to reload this page. As you can see, one time purchase, subscribe, and save. Now like they can also change, like for example, choose monthly subscription. As you can see, they can like choose this as they want. The customers will be able to see here if they want to select, for example, one time purchase. Of course, you can always change these settings on your Upstall app. Okay, now to change that on your Upstall app, you just need to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on app store subscription and click on open app, you will be able to edit the subscription if you want, or you can add a new subscription. Okay, now probably the next time you want to visit, they will ask you guys to pick a plan, but I always go with the free plan as long as the subscription is not that doesn't exceed $500 per month. Now I always go with the free plan here. As you can see, that's what I like about this app, it offers a free plan. Now after you are received, for example, if you receive more than $500, you can always change the plan. Okay, so it says here Shopify requires using payment gateway. By the way, the requirements for this to work, you will have to enable Shopify payments or Stripe or PayPal Express or Apple Pay, Shop Pay. That's exactly the requirements. Okay, if you have any questions or any you don't know anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Now if you click here on subscription plan, you will be able to see all the subscriptions you have created, and you can click on edit here to edit anything you don't like. For example, here monthly subscription, you can also edit this as you want. For example, you can change this. You can also add a new subscription, like another subscription, so that the customers will be able to choose from. That's exactly, guys, how this works. If you click here on subscription, by the way, each time you click on any button here, you will have to save your changes. Okay, if you click here, for example, on subscriptions, you will be able to see here subscription. You will be able to search subscription ID or customer name or email address. This page will give you the complete snapshot of all the subscriptions that are tied to your store, and key details such as the current state, customer information, important dates. If you want to learn more about particular subscription, click on the subscription ID and to see the detailed view. Now this is not going to be important, I believe. Now if you click here on widgets, you will be able to select here the widget type. You can go with the classic radio selection, or you can go with compact drop down section. You can see here how it looks, and you can change it to anything you want. So I believe this default widget is better than for example classic radio selection. It's not really that good, as you can see. Okay, here if you want to for example enable simple button options, you will have to upgrade your subscription on App Store to a business to plan to a business in order to enable this option feature. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. It's very simple. It doesn't really require anything. You can also delete the buy button if you want. You just want to offer subscriptions. You want to remove this buy button option. You can do that. I already made multiple videos about how you can remove add to cart and buy button from your Shopify. Now, by the way, guys, if you have any questions, anything you don't understand, anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Make sure you drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated, and see you guys next video.